Guys, well, welcome back to part 2, everyone. We are going to keep walking in nature and stuff, and we're gonna see what's going on. Golly, guys, there's this giant vine over here. Giant vine going all the way up there. Oh, that's something. Ow. Let's use that again. Alright, we're gonna walk back over here and do another jump again over here. Guys, 3, 2, 1. My guys are recording because I'm going to try to collect this giant plank right here. Wow, that was a very close to falling. Anybody? My thumb is dying right now from holding this stupid phone. Alright guys, I'm going to go back over here. Go. See what's happening over here. Kiki Cat's inside the house right now. Don't want to do anything with him right now. Alright guys, we're just gonna take a little walk through nature over here. Then we'll go see what's going on in the front yard. I just had a slow-mo slip. So if you guys don't know what that means, a very slow slip of like, it was like a very slow slip. It was kind of funny. I was like, alright guys, we're back to the top. Gonna take a little walk again around these plants. See, I'm just gonna pull this plant out right here. Use that. Here's this one of our place back here. We have lots of plants over here. We are gonna go back to the front yard over here and we'll see what's going on over there. Yeah. We're still stuck around these parts. Ugh. Oh, wow. That was kind of scary getting stuck over there, but I survived. Hey, really, look at this. It's a long time ever since I found a year-old pine cone over here. Well, it's not actually a year old. I just found it. I'm gonna go probably give this to my mom. What the heck is this? Guys, I'm just gonna throw this away. I think, guys, I just found a piece of bamboo, but I'm not gonna get it up because it's impossible. Okay, guys, we're gonna. Wow, my leg is so sore. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the brightness down a little bit, so that we don't, so you guys don't see you. So what the heck is going on over here? Pretty much normal stuff. Kia Sorrento's doing pretty good. Oh, wow. Okay guys, that is kind of creepy. I found this stuffed animal right there. Alright, this is the side. Alright guys, this is the side of my house. outside of my house, but right next to people's house. Found a little toy thing. Look at this. Probably a little when I was 10, I used to play with these. That was about 2 years ago, so I'm about 12 right now. Guys, I'm gonna probably go back to that place over there. I'm gonna go to these people's backyard, guys, and we're gonna head back to that place. Okay, we're going back in. Alright, we are back to our little place over here. Alright, here we go. Alright. Dang, my thumb is hurting twice as bad now. Guys, we finally made it. I'm gonna go on the trampoline again. Let's go. We're back, yeah. See what's going on over here. Alright. Alright, guys, we're gonna go back down. Okay, I guess we can go back over here. Or probably, no, I don't want to. Alright guys, we're gonna go back to the crib. Go back to the crib. Okay, we're gonna put this gun. Alright guys, welcome back to the crib. Oh, we are back in the crib again. Oh, it's a boring old day as usual. Guys, I want to turn on the light real quick. I got the yearbook this here. Got all the stuff. I'm gonna. Here's all the names I got signed up, and here's all the stuff. That's all you need to see. Guess what, guys? I got a reward. Stellar Heart Award. Guess what, guys? Soon I will get 2 more teeth out. Yeah, yesterday which I published I think about 3 or 2 new videos. Gonna maybe take this lollipop right here. Maybe put it in. Oh, guys, just wait a second. That's good. That is perfectly good, guys. This might be like honey or something. Because this is not taste like lemon or anything. Put all my stuff here again. Alright Okay, you know what? I'll see you in the next time, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the meantime.